If a minus 1 by a equals to 3 by 2, we have to find out the value of 12a divide 4a square minus 9a minus 4. So here is a given a minus 1 by a equals to 3 by 2. So this one we can write like a, make LCM, so a square minus 1 equals to 3 by 2. Now we can make cross multiplication, so it will be 2a square minus 2 equals to 3a. But look, here is a 4a square minus 9a minus 4, so has no similarity. So at least we have to make some similarity. Like if we multiply both sides by 2, it means 2, here is a 2a square minus 2, and 3 times 2 is a 6a. Now here will be 4a square minus 2 times 2 is a 4 equals to 6a. Now question, why we are doing like this? Because here is a 4a square minus 4, and also here is a 4a square minus 4. So we can work like this way. How? Look, this one here is a 12a, and we can synchronize like 4a square minus 4 minus 9a. Now here is a 12a, against 4a square minus 4 we can write 6a minus 9a. Now look, 12a, 6a minus 9a, it will be minus 3a, and here is also a. Now if we divide this fraction by 3a, we will get 12 divided 3 is a 4, a divided a 1, so it will be out. Our answer will be minus 4. Very simple. So these kinds of math you will face any kinds of competitive examination. So please don't neglect these kinds of math. I hope you clear this one. Next video will come very soon. I am trying to solve different type of math in this channel. So please stay with me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.